Hello everybody, it's Tim with TD Sports Cards. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. I figured I'd get an old box and see what comes out of it. So I got a box of 2008 Bowman Chrome. In this there's, I think some of the Chrome Draft is in here, I believe. But the big things are the Kershaws, there's the Votto rookies, the Longoria rookies, there's the autos. It may have stuff from like Achiro, Griffey Jr., stuff like that, but you want the refractors, the gold refractors. Like the Jeter, Galarraga, Rodriguez, and Achiro. Those go for about $40-$50 or more. So that's what we're looking to get. Get a big name gold one. And if we get lucky on the auto, then so be it. But all right, let's rip into this. Make some room here. There we go. And let's see what we get out of this. These boxes aren't like the modern day ones. These ones are this year's a little bit cheaper. They were quite a bit cheaper, so. All right, what are we getting here? Bowman, some sort of an insert or checklist of some sort. 2008 baseball card. We got a sticker. Ah, sweet. All right. And there's 18 packs, 4 cards each pack. All right, nothing down there. So, losing my little signage. All right. So let's see what we get out of this, because I'm excited. See if we can't get a decent one or one of the big ones in this year. That'd be crazy. But some early cards of some of these guys would be nice. Some of these guys I won't know. Some of these guys we all know. All right, we got Javier Vasquez. I got something right off the bat right there. See that? Some sort of insert. It's the first card of something, of somebody. So we got Javier Vasquez. Brad Penny. He was around for a while. And we got an auto right off the bat. Is that my prospect auto right off the bat? Right behind it. Paul Winterlig. And looks like, okay, because as I say, it looks like it's a checkerboard, but it is numbered, which is good. Danny Lehman, Texas Rangers. That is numbered to 250. Right off the bat. Now there are case hits in this, so there could be a second one. So we'll see what happens. What would that? I'm trying to think what that would be. I don't know if that's considered the blue chrome refractor. For example, blue refractor. Yep. All right. So right off the bat, got that out of the way, I guess. First pack. Not what I planned on. So I want to see if you guys can want to hang out and see what other ones I get. Like I said, I'm a big Votto and Goldschmidt kind of guy. I like average with power. So I'm hoping to get then you get Longoria's auto in this. All right, so Colorado Rockies. We got Salvo Jimenez. Orlando Hudson. All right, so prospect. Jeremy Haynes. Vin Mazzaro. The first Bowmans. And checklist. All right. Oh, there's a guy we know. Chris Carpenter. Eric Burns. The Diamondbacks. Dwayne Bello. I remember him from the Tigers. Mike Jesus. Trying to get it where that's. There we go. Mike Jesus. Yep, move this one card over. All right, let's see what's in this one. Like I said, it was a cheap box, so we'll got a good price. Figured why not? Oh my gosh, this one wants to play hardball. There we go. All right. Okay. Greg Smith. Got a blue Grady Sizemore. All right. Everybody knows Grady if you're an Indian fan. It's a blue refractor. Number to 150. Number 2150. Look at there. Pretty cool. So not bad for a older colored hit. It was pretty clutch. Batted about 290, 300. All right. Glenn Gibson. So one of the prospects. And Jose Ortegano. All right. Let's see who this is. Next pack. I remember this guy. Eric Bedard. Paul Mayholm. Sorry, trying to get it focused for you guys. There we go. Paul Mayholm. All right, first Bowman. Robert Fish. And Juan Francisco for the Reds. All right. I think this is pack number 7. All right. Oh, there we go. Good name. Pudge. Von Rodriguez. Mr. Golden Arm there. Very nice card. Ah, there we go. That's one of the nicer ones. And that one is the refractor. Ah, got a base refractor of A-Rod. Sweet. Or A-Royd is how some people put it. Cool beans. See refractor. All right. All right. Got Tony Bartnett and Jose Martinez. I remember him. Yep. Played a while with Chicago. All right. Then we got another checklist. Okay, pack number 9. Ah, here's another great at the time. Jorge Posada. Very cool. We got the rookie card. Chinglung Hu, which I think is one of the key cards for this year. Believe it or not. That one, the Prospect. Bowman Chrome, 198. That was one of the actually key cards. We can get the gold refractors, whatever. It was actually pretty good. Huh. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in a sleeve so I can check it out more. But I know that gold refractors go for like 50 bucks. This isn't gold, not numbered, but all right. Graham Godfrey, Prospect, and Justin Snyder, Prospect. All right, pack number 9. All right. We got John Maine for the Mets. Masahide Kobayashi for Cleveland. We got 1800 Nationals. Hassan Pena. Oops, was that the regular Nationals? No, that's regular Nationals. My fault. And Jason Delaney for Pittsburgh. Cool beans. All right. Number 10. Yep, we got another refractor. Cool beans. Here's another one that you wanted for that year. Prince Fielder. Oh, I got a nice one coming up next. Earlier, a guy who everybody knows. If you don't know, you don't know baseball that much, or haven't been watching for the last 15 years. All right, so we got Prince Fielder. That was one of the better cards to get during that year. That was his 07. He hit the 50 home runs. All right. We have a refractor of David Ortiz. A 2008 refractor of David Ortiz. Fresh out of a box. Very nice. Yep. Very cool. Can handle that. That year he batted 35 home runs, 332 average. All right, rookie prospects. Will Klein and Mitch Canham. All right, I think this is pack like 11. God, I almost think it's like an X-Fractor. That's what I'm thinking of. 250. All right. Remember this guy, Hank Blaylock. Aubrey Huff. He bounced around for a while. Orioles, Chicago. Hector Correa. Oh, we want Carlos Correa. And Jamie Pedrosa. Yep. We want Carlos Correa on this. Jamie Pedrosa. All right. Oh, here's a young one. Ryan Braun. Very nice. This was his debut year. Too bad he's been injured a lot the last few years, or suspended for one. But yeah. Yeah, but his debut year. 34 home runs, 324 batting average. Cool. All right, we all know this guy. B.J. Upton. He's been around for a while. Chris Husby and Helder Velasquez. All right. Yeah. We got another refractor. He's a good one. Paul Konorko. I liked Konorko. He was pretty solid. I got a Torrey Hunter. He was Mr. Defense. Refractor. Yep, between the Angels and Twins. There we go. But Torrey Hunter refractor. All right, here's another one. That year, he's still around. Brad Peacock. They're gonna look like he was young, 18-year-old. Yep, Gold Gulf Coast League Club's top starter in 2007. He's 12. Yeah, he's 30 years old right now. But yeah, he's still around. He's still pitching. Like, say, for the A's or Tampa or something like that. Pretty cool. DJ Jones. And another checklist. 3, 4, 5, 6 left. 12th. This is number 13. All right. This guy's still here. He's pitching for Detroit. Francisco Liriano. Joe Blanton, Oakland. We got Chase Lorette and Hude Valdez. So I can't believe we pulled the auto in the very first one. Huh. Ironic. All right. We got Freddie Sanchez. Rich Hill. Those are the vets. First Bowman, Kyle Ginley. Jose Vallejo. Actually, I remember him coming up. He did come up for a little bit. I think, yeah, same thing with a lot of the rookies. They struggle batting. Some guys up now that started off hot. Now people figured out their loopholes. All right, Lando Hernandez. And refractor of Kenji Johima. I can't remember if he's still around or not. I think he is. Kenji Johima refractor. All right. Alvin Ramirez and Lucas Duda. Duda's up. He's playing. He's going on top loader. That's his first Bowman Chrome. That one's a cool one. That one we know. Very cool. All right, got 3 packs left, guys. There's a legend. Mr. Jim Thome, Hall of Fame. Very cool. Brian Giles, he played forever. Bounced around for a while. Uniski Sanchez. Why Sanchez? That seems familiar. Y Navarro for Boston. All right, 2 packs left. 18 packs, so this is pack number 17. All right, cool. We get one more color. There we go. At the time, Ryan Howard. Yep. This one. This is green. I have 2 cards stuck together. Jed Lowry. Shortstop for the Red Sox. He already came up. But actually, he's making his name. He was traded to Oakland. He's making his name. He's having a career year this year. This is his first Bowman rookie card. Huh. Pretty cool. Trying to get that to focus better. But That one was cool. Shurian Martis and Justin Henry. All right, last pack. All right. Matt Holliday. Yep, from the Rockies. Good player. Oh, here we go. It's an early Yachty refractor. Yeah, he's only won a few World Series. Or I'm thinking of Posey. Oh yeah, but Yachty, I think they've won one. But cool little refractor of him. This guy, he's still pitching. Remember that? Who is Chakeen? Yep. Yep, he's still pitching. And Ernesto Maya. All right. So let's get a quick recap. We got Jim Thome. These are the vet players that are pretty much like Hall of Fame. Jim Thome. Get that focus for you. Jorge Posada and Ivan Rodriguez. All right. Let's group these together real quick. All right. Prospect we all know. Lucas Duda. He's still up. He's still playing. He's a vet. So that's cool. That's rookie. Here's some other cool ones. Yep, not that one. Here's some other cool ones. We got Ryan Braun. Like a second-year card, pretty much. It's not as prospect or rookie. I don't know if that's actually his rookie card. Then Prince Fielder. So those are pretty cool. The rookies we got, and I believe that he's one of the better ones for this year. For some reason, sells well, probably overseas. You got Ching Lung Hu. Try to get the focus. Got Ching Lung Hu. And this guy here is having a career, Jed Lowry. Huh, that's pretty cool. All right. Refractors. All right. Let's do this. Okay. Refractors. We got Torrey Hunter. Kenji Johima. Yachty. Mr. Probably, I don't know if future Hall of Fame is borderline. We got Mr. Hall of Fame, Easy Hall of Fame, David Ortiz. And we got A-Rod. So nice refractors. Then I got a colored one. Colored one was Brady Sizemore. So that's pretty cool. All right. And then our auto was a X-Fractor of Danny Lehman. Blue. I believe. Number to 250. Oh, yeah. And Brady was number 20 of 150. So we got Danny Lehman. But I don't think he's playing anymore. But with it being an X-Fractor. So, pretty cool. Not bad. Like I said, it was a cheap and expensive box. But like I said, between the Lowry, Braun, Fielder, Duda, and then actually on these ones, Sizemore a little bit. A-Rod, Ortiz definitely, Yachty definitely. I mean, those ones were the ones that were probably the best ones out of all these that I picked out. So, thank you for joining, And again, like I said, it was a 2008 Bowman Chrome. So if you want to check online, go get one or whatever. You can see what they go for. And if not, you can hit me up and I'll get you one as far as that goes. But we will see you later. And look for future box breaks on my channel. And some group breaks come around for that's on eBay. All right. Thank you very much.